Hi, I'm Diane, and I'm going to show you how to use the new Quick Entry mode in Under My Roof. This feature requires iOS or iPadOS 26, and some capabilities may not be available in all languages or regions. Refer to the user guide for an up-to-date list of which ones are supported. To enter Quick Entry mode, tap the rabbit button at the bottom of the item list. When you open Quick Entry mode, the microphone is listening so you can get started immediately by saying an item's name. Let's take a quick look at Quick Entry mode's interface. Tap the microphone button to mute the microphone. When the mic is muted, Quick Entry mode is not listening. Tap it again to unmute. The grid button toggles a 3x3 grid overlay to help you align your photos. The level button toggles an on-screen level. If your device has a flash, the flash button lets you toggle between flash modes. Tap the Options button to configure Quick Entry mode, or the Help button for help on using Quick Entry mode. Use a pinch gesture to zoom in and out. The zoom level is shown in the area at the bottom, which you can tap to zoom back to 1x. The Added Items wheel is at the bottom left. You can tap it to view and edit any items added during the current session. Under My Roof's Quick Entry mode makes creating an inventory of your belongings super fast. Just point the camera at an item and say its name. That's it. And it all happens on device, ensuring your information stays private. Here's how it works. Acoustic guitar. LCD television. Accent chairs, quantity 2. If you have more than one of the same thing, you can set the quantity by saying the word quantity and a number after the item's name. Spoken quantities are currently supported in English, Spanish, French, and German. But that's not all Quick Entry mode does. It also has a built-in barcode scanner. Scan UPC and EAN barcodes, and Under My Roof will look up the item online and add it to your inventory. For older books with just an ISBN number or a barcode that's hard to read, you can simply speak the number out loud. 15791200431. For iPhones and iPads with Apple Intelligence enabled, Quick Entry mode has one more trick up its sleeve. You'll see it when you tap on the Added Items wheel to view the items added in the current session. Under My Roof uses Apple's on-device AI foundation models to automatically choose a category for each item based on the existing categories in your inventory. Currently, this feature is English only, though we do plan on adding additional languages in the future. And that's the new Quick Entry mode in Under My Roof. Quick Entry mode requires iOS or iPadOS 26 and will be available with Under My Roof 1.11.